Presenting the 2007 Dodge Charger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lamps, AM/FM stereo, leather seats, power steering, driver illuminated vanity mirror, stability control, ABS, cruise control, and traction control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.